Find the slope of the line passing through 2 points, and our points are 2, negative 3, and 6, 5. So we graphed it over here on this graph, and that's the line passing through the 2 points. So slope is all about the change in the y divided by the change in the x as you move from one point to the other. And as a habit, we always move from the leftmost point to the rightmost point in the x direction. Okay. So the change in x would be here, and that would be, you're already at 2 and you're moving to 6. So you're moving to 6 in this direction to get to the second point. So that would be change in x is equal to 6 minus 2, that's the change, going from 2 to 6, and that would be 4. And you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 grid spaces. The change is 4. Now, from there you would go up to the next point, or perhaps down to the next point. Moving up, as it is in this case, we're moving a distance here of, the new coordinate up there is 5, so that would be delta y equals 5, subtract, the coordinate down here is negative 3, which would be 8. And let's count the grids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so the slope of our line is the change in y divided by the change in x, which is 8 divided by 4, which equals 2. So the slope on this line is 2. And 2, which is 2 over 1, is also 4 over 2, for example. So if we run 2 from here to here, and we go up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, we should end up back on the line, and we do. So any ratio of 2 to 1 moving from one point to the other will result in being back on the line. So we could move 2 to 4 from this one too. 2 in the x and 4 in the y, and we would get back to the point on the line. So in practice, what you do, this is the behind the scenes theory that I've shown you, but in practice what you do is you take one point and you take the other, and you go, slope is the change in y divided by the change in x, and let's say, just as a habit, pick this point on the right and say the difference in the y coordinates is 5 minus a negative 3, and the difference in the x's is 6 minus 2, and that would be 8 over 4, which is a slope of 2.